Top 20 iOS App Development Interview Questions. Question 1. Which programming language is primarily used for iOS development? A. Swift. B. Kotlin. C. Java. D. C++. The correct answer is A. Swift. Swift is the primary programming language for iOS app development. Question 2. Which framework is used to build user interfaces in iOS? A. UIKit. B. Core Data. C. Foundation. D. Arkit. The correct answer is A. UIKit. UIKit is used to build user interfaces in iOS. Question 3. What is the purpose of auto layout in iOS development? A. Manage UI constraints. B. Store data. C. Handle gestures. D. Perform animations. The correct answer is A. Manage UI constraints. Auto layout manages responsive layouts with constraints. Question 4. What does core data provide in iOS development? A. Data persistence. B. User interface management. C. Networking. D. AR rendering. The correct answer is A. Data persistence. Core data manages app data persistence and object graph management. Question 5. Which design pattern is commonly used in iOS development? A. MVC. B. MVVM. C. MVP. D. All of the above. The correct answer is D. All of the above. MVC, MVVM, and MVP are popular design patterns in iOS. Question 6. What is the purpose of storyboards in Xcode? A. Design UI visually. B. Debug code. C. Manage version control. D. Optimize performance. The correct answer is A. Design UI visually. Storyboards allow developers to design UIs visually in Xcode. Question 7. What is the role of app delegate in iOS apps? A. Handle app lifecycle. B. Manage UI updates. C. Perform animations. D. Store data. The correct answer is A. Handle app lifecycle. App delegate manages key app lifecycle events. Question 8. What does the scene delegate manage in iOS apps? A. UI window scenes. B. Networking tasks. C. Database operations. D. App animations. The correct answer is A. UI window scenes. Scene delegate manages multiple scenes and UI windows in iOS apps. Question 9. Which database is commonly used in iOS development? A. Core Data. B. SQLite. C. Realm. D. All of the above. The correct answer is D. All of the above. Core Data, SQLite, and Realm are used for iOS databases. Question 10. What is the purpose of Grand Central Dispatch in iOS? A. Manage threads. B. Handle gestures. C. Store data. D. Design UI. The correct answer is A. Manage threads. GCD manages concurrency and thread execution efficiently. Question 11. What is SwiftUI in iOS development? A. Declarative UI framework. B. Database management tool. C. Networking library. D. Concurrency framework. The correct answer is A. Declarative UI framework. SwiftUI is a declarative framework for building user interfaces. Question 12. Which tool is used for debugging iOS applications? A. Xcode debugger. B. Instruments. C. LLDB. D. All of the above. The correct answer is D. All of the above. Xcode debugger, instruments, and LLDB assist in debugging iOS apps. Question 13. What is the purpose of Alamofire in iOS development? A. Networking. B. UI development. C. Data persistence. D. Concurrency. The correct answer is A. Networking. Alamofire simplifies HTTP networking in iOS apps. Question 14. What is the role of Combine in iOS? A. Handle asynchronous events. B. Manage UI constraints. C. Perform animations. D. Store data. The correct answer is A. Handle asynchronous events. Combine handles asynchronous data streams in Swift. Question 15. What does Arcade enable in iOS apps? A. Augmented reality. B. Networking. C. Concurrency. D. UI management. The correct answer is A. Augmented reality. Arcade is used for augmented reality experiences. Question 16. Which tool is used for memory leak detection in iOS? A. Instruments. B. Xcode debugger. C. LLDB. D. Memory profiler. The correct answer is A. Instruments. Instruments helps detect memory leaks and optimize app performance. Question 17. What is the purpose of TestFlight in iOS? A. Beta testing. B. UI design. C. Code debugging. D. Version control. The correct answer is A. Beta testing. TestFlight is used for distributing apps for beta testing. Question 18. What is the default build system in Xcode? A. Ninja. B. CMake. C. Xcode build system. D. Make. The correct answer is C. Xcode build system. Xcode uses its default build system for compiling and linking. Question 19. Which library is used for animations in iOS? A. UIKit. B. Core Animation. C. ARKit. D. SpriteKit. The correct answer is B. Core Animation. Core Animation handles animations in iOS apps. Question 20. What is the purpose of a .plist file in iOS? A. Store app configurations. B. Handle gestures. C. Manage UI updates. D. Debug code. The correct answer is A. Store app configurations. .plist files store app configurations and metadata.